Hello there, another day, another video. Let's go through the cryptocurrencies for this video. I hope you all checked out my weekly analysis on Forex, on indices, stocks, oil, gold, silver. I'll try to do a different market every other day. So today it's the day of the cryptocurrencies. So let's start off with Bitcoin. I did an analysis on this before, and actually not a lot has changed. Price is still within this consolidation. This support here is still a resistance area, but we failed to break this level down here. Oh, wait a minute. So let's just put another trend line in it so you get a clear picture of this zone. It's just for now it doesn't really. I think we have some more support down here, so it's still within this range, but for now price seems to be holding quite strong at this level. So let's just put it like this. My analysis is the same. My idea is the same. If price stays within this range, which could happen up until we move into this trend line, which could finally push price lower, or maybe we will of course break through the trend line, and also we need to break this resistance, which is resistance at the moment. So I did this analysis I think 2 weeks ago. This is the daily chart, so that's 2 or 3 weeks this has been going on. For those of you who have read my book, no problem of course, because when things like this happen we can range trade this market, so nothing wrong about that, but just know what the market conditions are, and this is at the moment what it is. So Bitcoin range, stuck in a range and not trending at the moment, so I am neutral. I really need to see what happens when we break a certain level. So that's for Bitcoin on this one. Then we have LITECOIN. It kind of looks the same, but again here is we did actually break lower. There's a nice staircase what we are seeing here. So support got broken, and we see this resistance forming as resistance now. And again we are almost at this trend line, so another break lower could happen. So if we see that, and the price will as you can see, the move becomes less big. This was a huge channel, price moved, and this is a little bit smaller, and this is smaller as well. Often that indicates that maybe a turnaround is around the corner, but for now we actually don't know yet. So I'm just like Bitcoin, it's in a bearish move, but we are consolidating for the last. This is the daily chart again. This is the last 3 weeks also stuck in a range. So not a lot is happening in the Bitcoin or in the Litecoin area. Then we have Ethereum, kind of a choppy chart. It's a little. I prefer the other two. Why? Because we are pushing through. Coming back, breaking back up again, and then pushing through again. So this is quite of a, it's not that easy to trade when price moves like that. So yeah, let's see if we can. This seems to be some kind of a fake out, and price is within this range at the moment. So let's see. I don't know if we can get in a trend line from here on out. This is way too steep when we do it like this. I think I'll prefer to do it like this. So we consider this as a fake out, and this is a more clean trend line. So this is what I'm looking at. What we are looking at for Ethereum. It's also stuck in a range actually, but if you want to range trade this, it's a little bit harder than the other two. Like I mentioned in my book, I prefer to have a well set range, and that's not the case at the moment. No, that's not the case at all. So we were, because maybe if you put away this trend line, we are in a more of a range. But then again, this trend line makes these lows, combines these lows, lower high. So if you're looking for a safe trading opportunity, let's range trade the other two, Litecoin and Bitcoin. And Ethereum, let's leave it like it is for now. Then we have Ripple. Yes, Ripple made these two spikes here and then was trending to the upside. Um, Still is trending to the upside. I think if we zoom in a little bit for this one, we can get a more clearer picture that, yes, it's kind of, I think if we connect this in a different way, for example like this, we get a more clearer trend line. Oh, this becomes too steep. No, let's just leave it the way it is. Yes, well, this could have been a fake out over there, and now price is currently moving still in an upside movement. So that's quite different than the other pairs we've seen. We are also overall we are in a kind of a range. Um, we came down, came back to retest this resistance level and it held, and we are now on our way back to retest it again. So I would not be. This is kind of a range trade as well. Um, and I would be looking for shorts, to be honest. I prefer to trade this to the short side instead of to the upside. So let's put in the idea. I prefer to trade a break of this level and go to the lower side of this. But then again, if we continue to trade and we break this level, in that case I would like to see some confirmation, and if we do get that, I would be turning from consolidation into a bullish move. And right now, if this trend line breaks, I would like to see a continuation or a move lower, at least to the downside of this channel. And then last but not least, we have Dash. This is the last analysis I did. Dash is quite choppy. We have quite some spikes and some pin bars, which I do not prefer to trade. Yes, well, this can go up a little bit. We are in this. This is the resistance area. This is the support area. We are still trading within this box over here. So and it's quite. This is very flat. Not a lot is happening in Dash. So I am. It's not my preferred trading opportunity at all. And also getting in trend lines is kind of hard because of all the choppiness on this chart. So Dash would be my least favorite of all of these setups. Leave it for now, that's my advice. Going back, Bitcoin consolidation, waiting for a breakout to go bullish or bearish. In the meantime, if you want to trade this, zoom into at least a 4-hour chart or maybe the hourly chart. Try to identify levels like way up in this level or down here to go long or go short, and make sure you set the proper take profit and stop levels. But it's easy, it's more clear. So range trading is the preferred option here. Not trending, not swing trading, nothing in it so far. So waiting for a breakout for an actual trending market. Litecoin again bearish, also consolidation, waiting for a breakout. Let me put it down here for after of both of these levels, retest and then a continuation to the upside. If we do not get that, we will see further downside. Oh, wait a minute, sorry. Litecoin, Ethereum was not interesting, a range trade, but it doesn't really fit the criteria because it's breaking through and back of these levels that are normally or preferably acting as support and resistance. So it's the choppiness isn't really what we are looking for here. Looking for a breakout or a breakout to the downside, which could give us an opportunity to trade this further. Then Ripple was within the range, so a break higher, but this has been going quite a way now to the top side of this channel, which could make this interesting from a range trading perspective to the downside. And then finally Dash, which is not interesting at the moment. One more thing, as you can see, most of these cryptocurrencies, just like Forex, are put up against the US dollar. The US dollar does make an interesting chart because we are in this range, this upward moving range. The 100 cannot be broken, and every time we make a new high, we start a sell-off, and this was of course a huge sell-off. We can all see that in the Forex pairs, which to me is more interesting as the crypto pairs at the moment, because there are huge trending moves going on there. And well, keep this in mind because it's the other part of the cryptocurrencies we were just talking about. So with a weaker dollar that dropped almost 3 points is definitely something. If this starts trending back up again, we will probably see some movement on the cryptocurrencies as well. Thanks for watching. Cryptocurrency update, technical analysis, forecasting for you, and I'll see you in the next video.